This is a store-bought goldfish cracker. This is a goldfish cracker that I just made at home. This one has 15 ingredients. This one has 3. Let's make these in 30 minutes. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw our 1 cup of shredded cheese into our food processor, along with half of a cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cold butter. We're also gonna keep a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons on hand because we'll need it a little bit later. I'm gonna add the lid to my food processor and we're gonna process this until we get a grainy texture, so I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So I've been processing for about a minute and we have that grainy texture that we're looking for. Once you have that, you're gonna start adding in your water bit by bit until your dough comes together. So if your processor has a little hole like mine, you can pour it in through there. If it doesn't, just pour it straight into here, but do it little by little. Remember, we're gonna pour in about 2 tablespoons of water little by little until our dough comes together. It really shouldn't take more than 10 to 20 seconds of processing and your dough is ready. You'll know it's ready when your dough sticks together just like this. So now I'm gonna move all of this out of the way and we're gonna get to a little bit of kneading. Grab a little bit of flour and your rolling pin. We're getting to the fun part now. Take your ball of dough and just roll it in the flour and we're gonna give it a very quick knead. It doesn't really need much of a knead, but just to bring everything together. And now we're gonna roll it out onto our counter. We're aiming for about 1/4 of an inch thick. This is actually so easy because the dough is so soft, you have no trouble rolling it out. I like to work in sections, so once I have a nice section rolled out, I'm gonna grab my little fish cutter. I designed this one myself just for fun, but if you want one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. And I'm just gonna start cutting little goldfish shapes. And remember, if you don't have a goldfish cutter, you can just cut these into cubes and it'll be just as delicious. This recipe makes about 100 goldfish or so, but these are bigger than the regular goldfish, so you're getting a little bit more cracker. Look how cute they are. I'm gonna pick up the goldfish that I have and then re-roll this and keep going until I've used all of my dough. The ones that I've already made, I'm gonna transfer to a parchment paper lined baking sheet. If they're sticking to the counter, just take a bench scraper and lift them right off. And there you have your gorgeous goldfish crackers ready to go into the oven. We're gonna bake these at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes until they're golden and crunchy. And there you have it, the cutest little goldfish crackers, and they took us less than 30 minutes with just 3 simple ingredients. Transfer them into your bowl, and your gorgeous snacks are ready to go. So freaking good. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for so much more.